Is bigger better? Hey, get your mind out of the gutter. This is YouTube, people, and we're talking business. When it comes to selling a business, the answer is simple. Yes, bigger is absolutely better. Let's break down why. Bigger means higher multiples. It's a fact. Larger businesses attract higher profit multiples when they're sold. But why is that? It all comes down to risk, resilience, and return on investment. Let's look at the 5 big reasons buyers love big businesses. Revenue and customer diversity. First up, diversity of customers and revenue streams. Small businesses often rely on just a handful of clients or products. If one disappears, the whole business could wobble. Larger businesses are spread out. More customers, more products, more markets. So if one drops off, it barely makes a dent. Less risk means more value to a buyer. Economies of scale. The more you buy, the cheaper it gets. The bigger you are, the more efficiently you run. That means higher margins and more profit. Buyers know this, and they'll pay for it. Brand recognition. Bigger businesses usually mean bigger brand recognition. It's easier to break into new markets if your name already carries weight. Marketing becomes cheaper. Growth becomes faster. And from a buyer's perspective, strong brands lower the barriers to entry in new territories. More reach, less risk, higher value. Depth of management. What happens if the founder of a small business leaves? In many cases, so does the magic. Smaller businesses are often held together by 1 or 2 key people. That's a massive risk for buyers. But in larger companies, leadership is spread across departments and teams. That makes the business more stable and more valuable. Access to finance, last but not least. Access to finance. Lenders prefer bigger businesses. Why? Because they see them as less risky. That means more loan options, better terms, and in some cases, even public listing opportunities. Yes, you heard right. Bigger businesses can raise millions by listing on the stock market. That's a whole new level of capital access. So, is bigger better? In business, absolutely. Bigger businesses are less risky, more profitable, more scalable, and easier to sell. If you're building to sell, grow smart, grow strong, and grow big. And remember, buyers don't just pay for profits. They pay for predictability. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're growing a business of your own. Until next time, think big. Sell bigger.